Most people think eating less calcium prevents kidney stones. But what if I told you that low calcium actually increases your risk? Kidney stones are normal crystals formed in urine, most commonly calcium oxalate stones, caused when minerals like calcium and oxalate becomes concentrated. For years, people were told to reduce calcium intake to prevent stones. But science now shows this is completely wrong. What happens when you eat normal amount of calcium? When you eat a normal amount of calcium, calcium binds with oxalate in the intestine. This forms an insoluble complex known as calcium oxalate. This complex cannot be absorbed. Hence, it is removed safely in stool. This results in less oxalate reaching the kidneys. Now, what happens when calcium is low in your diet? When calcium is low in the diet, there are various steps that is happening. Step number 1, no binding in gut. There is not enough calcium to bind to oxalate. Hence, oxalate stays free or unbounded. In the step number 2, there is increased absorption. Free oxalate is easily absorbed through intestinal wall. It enters the bloodstream. In step number 3, there is kidney filtration. Blood carries oxalate to kidneys. Kidneys filter it into urine. Hence, it results in high oxalate in urine. Step number 4, stone formation. Inside urine, oxalate meets calcium again, forms calcium oxalate crystals. These crystals aggregate to form kidney stones. This is evidence-based. In a major study involving over 2 lakh participants, people with higher dietary calcium had lower kidney stone risk. In fact, a clinical trial showed that normal calcium diet reduced recurrence by 50% compared to low calcium diet. Hence, it is very clear from this that calcium is really important to prevent kidney stones, and low calcium is really linked to kidney stones, as we have seen in the mechanism above. Now, there are different types of calcium. Calcium from food versus calcium from supplements. Calcium from food is protective in nature, whereas calcium from supplements may increase the risk of cardiovascular disease, kidney disease, even kidney stones. So, you have to be very wise in choosing which type of calcium are you allowing in your diet. If you take excess of supplements and you say that, yeah, you are getting kidney stones or high cardiovascular risk, then that does not support any evidence. In fact, you should take calcium from good source like milk, cheese, fish, etc. This can decrease or lower your risk of kidney stones and many other problems. Aim for a food-first approach. Use supplements responsibly. So, just remember, calcium is not your enemy. Low calcium may actually trigger stones. Hence, balance is the main key. If you like this video, then please share it among your friends and subscribe my channel for more health related updates. Stay safe.